Top benefits of SAP B1 for manufacturing industry. Manufacturing success relies on more than just production capacity. Hidden issues like inaccurate inventory, material shortages, and manual planning lead to production delays and missed deadlines. These issues compound as businesses grow, impacting inventory, procurement, cash flow, and overall profitability. The cost of disconnect leads to spreadsheet chaos, overstocking, material shortages, and rising operational costs. SAP Business One offers integrated intelligence, providing real-time alignment of sales orders, forecasts, and inventory, automated material requirements planning, and improved margin control. SAP B1 serves as a central nervous system, connecting every critical function within a single ERP platform. This integration provides the absolute visibility needed to plan, execute, and scale without friction, replacing reactive problem-solving across siloed departments. Pillar 1 focuses on precision production and absolute visibility. Standardized manufacturing using bills of materials ensures consistent quality and accurate costing. Shop floor control monitors real-time status to identify bottlenecks before they impact customer deliveries. Pillar 2 is total material control and the MRP engine. By automatically calculating material requirements based on customer demand, inventory levels, and supplier lead times, SAP B1 eliminates production interruptions, prevents emergency purchasing, and reduces carrying costs. Pillar 3 is the executive control tower. Real-time data drives proactive decision-making, replacing retroactive reporting. This provides margin protection by reducing waste and optimizing resources, leading to sustainable profitability through lower operational costs. The integration multiplier allows scaling without complexity. The synthesis arc ensures every department works from a single source of truth, optimizing the entire system automatically. SAP B1 provides the scalable ERP infrastructure needed to manage increased complexity effortlessly. SAP B1 is purpose-built for diverse manufacturing environments. Regardless of the sector, it adapts to provide the specific production planning, inventory control, and procurement management that your industry demands. Kabeer Consulting Group transforms operations through implementation and strategy, operational setup, and technical expansion. We integrate data and use automation to deliver effective SAP solutions for small and mid-sized businesses. Kabeer Consulting Group offers a global infrastructure with local manufacturing expertise, maintaining a global SAP partner status with a 4.5 out of 5 stars based on customer reviews. Transform your ERP into a true growth engine. Claim your free demo to see how SAP Business One eliminates manufacturing chaos and accelerates profitability. Contact us via email or phone to request a free custom demo and consultation.